Remember feature phones? Well, they're making a comeback, but not in the way you might think. HMD Global, the company behind Nokia phones, just unveiled the HMD Terra M, and this thing is an absolute tank. It's primarily designed for business customers, but it packs some features that anyone who works outdoors or just needs a super durable phone will love. First off, let's talk about toughness. The Terra M is IP68 and IP69K certified. That means it's not just water-resistant, it can withstand high-pressure, high-temperature water jets. So, if you're working on a construction site, in a kitchen, or just get caught in a monsoon, this phone will not care. On top of that, it has a 2.8-inch touchscreen that you can actually use while wearing gloves. No more fumbling to take them off in the cold, just to answer a call. But the cool features don't stop there. It has programmable buttons. You can set one up for push-to-talk apps, essentially turning your phone into a Another button can be programmed as an SOS button for emergencies, giving you and your loved ones some extra peace of mind. For connectivity, it's got you covered with a 4G modem, a dual SIM slot, and even eSIM support, making it perfect for travelers who need to switch carriers on the fly. Under the hood, it's running on a Qualcomm Dragonwing chipset, and HMD is promising 5 years of security updates, which is pretty impressive for a feature phone. The battery is a solid 2,510 mAh, which HMD says will give you 10 days of standby time. That's the kind of battery life we miss from the old days, right? Now, here's one of the most interesting parts. The charging solution. HMD has designed a special charging dock for the Terra M. The phone charges through metal contacts on the back, so no fumbling with cables. But, get this, you can link up to 10 of these docks together. That means a whole team can charge 10 phones using just a single power cable. That is incredibly smart for managing a fleet of devices for a business. It even comes with a belt clip, reinforcing its focus on practicality for workers on the move. The HMD Terra M is set to be released in the first quarter of 2026. HMD hasn't announced the price yet, but given its rugged build and business-focused features, it's clear they're targeting a specific niche. What do you think? Is there still a place for a super tough modern feature phone like this in 2026? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech news.